Hi guys, Robin here. Just wanted to hop on and show you a recipe that I'm going to be making. I am super excited. It is a chicken pizza with white pizza sauce. So first I'm going to start with my chicken breast. These are huge. These are amazing chicken breasts. I got these at Aldi's and they are really large, and I'm going to cut these up and fry them in my pan. So I want to cut them in half, and then I want to fillet them, and I am going to fillet them with my closing cut. I don't know if you guys have seen this. This is amazing. Super easy to use. So you put your chicken breast in here and you just slice just like that. Look, filleted right in half. And again, two more to go. Look how easy that is. You can use this for cherry tomatoes. Also grapes, you can cut grapes with this, bagels, all kinds of different things that you can cut up with them. So, all right, I'm gonna put that aside, and then I am going to add some oil. And this is our garlic infused canola oil. It is one of our pantry items, and you can actually order this on my website. I do have a couple parties open, so if you needed anything, let me know. I would add you to that, so do the link. Okay, we're gonna just add some pepper for heat. Some salt. This is our grinder set. They're amazing. Salt and pepper. And I'm gonna mix these up with my chef tongs. We are actually giving you a free small chef tongs, which are this size. And you can see it's still a pretty good size. The thing I like about these is when you turn them this way, they open up, and when you have them like that, they close up. Pretty cool. Okay. So I got that all mixed up. Got my pan nice and hot over here. This is my grill pan. And go on there. I'm gonna put my grill press on top of it. Set it for about 3 minutes. Cook that side for 3 minutes, and then I'll flip it over and cook the other side for 3 minutes. In the meantime, I am going to go ahead and get my toppings ready. So I got this artisan bread. Also bought this at Aldi's. And there we go. We are going to put that one aside. We're only going to make one. And then I made this garlic white sauce. This is homemade white sauce. It is absolutely yummy. If you want the recipe, let me know. And then I'm just going to spread some of this out on top of here with my spoon. This has a lot of garlic in it. For all my garlic loving fans. Fan of the garlic, not of me. I just realized I said that. Oh my goodness. Okay, so a little bit more. Never have too much sauce. All right, and then we're gonna set that aside. cooked up some spinach. Let's see, I guess we'll bring that back out. And my other chef tongs, we're gonna get the spinach out and just spread the spinach over the pizza. Guess I'm the only one eating it, so I can use my fingers. All right, got the spinach spread out on there. And then I have some homegrown tomatoes. Hi, Tina. Homegrown tomatoes right from my pot in the back. And I'm just gonna cut these up, add these to the pizza. All right, let's just turn those over. All right, another 3 minutes on the other side. I love fresh tomatoes from the garden. They're just, I don't know what it is about, maybe it's because I grew them myself, or maybe it's because they do actually taste different when you grow them yourself, but I don't know, they're actually yummy. One more here. All right, now we're going to set this aside and we're going to shred our cheese. A little mozzarella. Hi, Tina. Okay. All right. There, mozzarella shredded. So you have two different sizes of these. You have the fine grade, and then you have the larger grade. The softer cheese, you use this one here, and then the harder cheese, you use the fine grater. This is actually called the coarse grater. All right. We're going to add that to our pizza. And then I've grated some Parmesan. Yummy. A little extra, so store that in this container. Put this aside. Wow, you could probably eat it just like that. Yummy, I know, right? All right, let's check the chicken. Look at the lines on the chicken. Look at that, yummy. Okay, so Now we are going to cut the chicken up. I'm going to use my sentoku knife, and we're just going to cut it in chunks. Guess I should have turned the oven on. Sorry about that. Okay, gotta take my cast iron out. Okay, got the oven on. Alright. So you just want to dice them up. I know you can get diced chicken in a can. I just can't imagine. I don't know, some people like it, but all right, so I'm gonna bring the pizza back over here, and we're just gonna add it on top of here. So you gotta tell me what you're having for lunch today. Tina, what are you having for lunch? Okay. So once the oven is heated up, I'm going to stick that in the oven, and then it should take about 10 minutes to cook in the oven, and then it will be lunchtime. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you have an amazing day. Here's my pizza before it's cooked. Fresh is always better. Yes, it is. And gotta tell you something about buying pre-shredded cheese, okay? Shred your own, because if you buy pre-shredded cheese, they put stuff in it that, chemicals in it that helps them to stay a little longer and keeps them from sticking together, because you know cheese can stick together, and it's just not healthy for you. Buy block cheese and shred it yourself. Trust me, it tastes better, it's healthier for you, and it's really, you can see it's not a lot of work. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.